everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day if you're in the UK. I was sent this beautiful card from my lovely friend Linda McNevin to celebrate Mother's Day, and I just wanted to come and share because it really did make my day. I love Linda's cards. Just look at that, how much fun. We've got Mummy Duck in the bath with Baby Duck, giving them all a wash, lots and lots of bubbles. These bubbles are heat embossed vellum. They've been cut out and adhered separately. I love little detail, and you can have a look and see a little story, you know, and these ducks are waiting for their turn in the bath with Mummy Duck perhaps, and here we've got the bubble bath and the soap, and I just think that is absolutely lovely. What a lovely card for Mother's Day. And while I'm here, a huge shout out to all you lovely yummy mummies out there. Being a mum is sometimes not an easy job, you know, so a huge hug to you all. You are amazing. Special shout out to all those mums who are also having to be dad. That's not an easy task. You're awesome. Also, all of the dads who are having to play mum, because you know it happens both ways. You're also amazing. And to anybody who perhaps their mum is an angel, sending you lots and lots of hugs today. It can be a difficult day for some people, so I'm just sending you extra love and sharing my little duckies. I just think they're awesome. So I hope you do have a wonderful Mother's Day. Have a nice relaxing time. Put your feet up. You work hard all year round. Being a parent full stop is hard. I think mums do that little bit extra. That might be a little bit, I'm going to get told off, but I think mums just do that little bit extra, don't we? So we deserve it. So go and put your feet up, cuddle and hug your children, and have a wonderful Mother's Day, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.